Hey, how's everyone doing today? So today I just wanted to share with you a quick little tip to keep your car performing good, running smooth. This one has to do with the hood here. Now a lot of you, like I said, if you do your maintenance and stuff, you probably already know this, but I just want to share with you because it's something that's overlooked a lot. So on these, they have the hood struts, as you know. And if you have an Accord and you did that mod where you put the hood struts in, then this is for you as well. But it's a good idea to grease the cylinders here. Right here. The top part of them, where it goes down inside. Because what happens is, as these get used, and with the weather and the heat and all that kind of stuff, these will dry, become really dry. And then what you'll find out is when you go to use it, it won't really work as good. So I like to use like white lithium grease. You put a little bit on, you don't need a ton. Every once in a while, when you do your maintenance on your car, and then it'll let this work a lot easier. Because like I said, once that gets really dry, it'll bind. So when you go to open your hood, you'll find it not be real smooth, or it might not even want to open it all the way. You might have to push on the hood to open it. So it's just something really easy to do if you guys have some white lithium grease. It's something good to have in your shop. I'll show you here. Like I said, you don't need a lot. But I'll just put a little bit on here. That's all you need. And just spread it around here. And then go open and close the hood a couple times to kind of mix it in there. I'll do this side too. And it's just a good habit, especially like say, if you guys have an SUV or anything and it has these for the lift gate, same thing. Because they get really dry very quickly, especially in like the winter time. And something good to do, it'll just prevent issues later on. And stuff's cheap. And it's good, it's waterproof. It'll last a long time. I put this stuff on the door hinges as well. So they operate really smooth. Don't get any noises out of them. So then I just take the hood here. Okay, I'm not going to touch the hood either because I have it on my fingers, but I just do this a couple times to get it mixed in. And all it's doing is reducing the friction as it goes down the cylinder. And I already can feel how smooth it is now. And this is not an old car either. So like I said, something good to do. It's always overlooked, but if you don't, you're going to find that these things get really rough. They'll have like a vibration to them as it opens up. So something good to do. Some simple maintenance will go a long way. And you'll have your car maintaining that smooth operation that you expect. So again, very simple. Pick yourself up some and apply it on the hood here and your door hinges as well. Okay? So maybe that'll help you guys out. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.